So shit, what up? That kid just fell in.
So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go.
That gorilla is going to fuck him up. Shoot that gorilla.
Shoot that gorilla.
I don't want to die. Please let me live. I'm just a chill dude who's misunderstood.
Should I shoot or should I go now? Should I shoot or should I go now? If I do, there will be trouble. If I don't, it will be double. So come on and let me know. Should I shoot or should I go now?
I'm a vegan slash feminist slash go fuck yourself. I identify as Donald Trump, and would like to be known as Princess Astral Sneezes. Finn.